Rockford Fosgate P500-12P Subwoofer Review. Honest results and real bass truth. The Rockford Fosgate Punch P500-12P 500-watt 12-inch all-in-one powered subwoofer system is a complete bass solution built into a single ready-to-install box. Inside the precision-constructed vented enclosure, you get a high-output 12-inch Punch series subwoofer, a built-in 500-watt Class D amplifier, and all the controls you need to integrate powerful bass into any vehicle, whether you drive a sedan, hatchback, SUV, or truck. It connects directly to factory stereos using speaker-level inputs or aftermarket head units via standard RCA line-level inputs, eliminating the complexity of buying separate components, matching impedances, building custom boxes, or mounting external amplifiers. The adjustable low-pass crossover, bass boost EQ, phase switch, and gain control let you dial in perfect bass that blends seamlessly with your existing speakers. Imagine never dealing with thin, lifeless music missing that deep foundation ever again. Here's what 500 watts of Rockford Fosgate Punch bass actually delivers. You finally hear and feel every bass note, from hip-hop 808s to rock kick drums with chest-thumping clarity and impact. You save hundreds compared to buying separate subwoofers, amplifiers, and custom enclosures. You install everything in one afternoon without specialized knowledge or expensive tools. You restore the deep low-frequency response that factory audio systems completely lack. And you gain total control over bass levels with the included remote knob mounted right at your fingertips. The vented enclosure design produces deeper bass extension and higher output than sealed boxes of similar size, meaning you get more impact from every single watt. Here's where it gets interesting. The dual input design means this works with absolutely any vehicle: luxury cars with premium factory systems, basic economy sedans, lifted trucks, custom builds, without expensive adapters or head unit replacements. The Class D amplifier runs cool and efficient, drawing minimal power from your vehicle's electrical system while delivering serious bass authority. Picture this: a daily commuter driving a mid-sized sedan with a decent factory stereo that handles vocals and guitars fine, but produces zero bass below 80 Hz. Music sounds flat, incomplete, almost hollow. He's heard powered subwoofers before, but doubted a single box could really make a difference compared to the custom systems his friends run with massive amps. Then he installs the Rockford Fosgate Punch P500-12P, tapping into the factory rear speaker wires using the speaker-level inputs, running power from the battery and mounting it in the trunk in under 2 hours. The moment he plays the first track, his entire perspective changes instantly. Bass lines he'd never heard in his car suddenly appear with definition and depth. Kick drums hit with real impact. The transformation is immediate and undeniable, from bass anemic factory sound to full-range concert-like audio that makes every commute genuinely enjoyable. That hesitation he felt about whether it would be enough bass vanished completely. After testing a few options, one thing became clear: not all powered subwoofers deliver real performance. Don't just pick any car subwoofer system. Make sure it has a vented enclosure with a genuine Punch Series 12-inch driver and 500-watt Class D amplifier, so you never waste your time on weak, boomy, distorted bass that disappoints every time you turn it up again. The P500-12P separates itself through proven Rockford Fosgate engineering, over 50 years perfecting bass reproduction, and the results are measurable and real. A leading car audio publication confirmed the system delivers authoritative deep bass down to 30 Hz with high efficiency and clean output at high volumes. An automotive testing lab noted dynamic output and lack of distortion are impressive, making it a standout for both power and sound quality. One SUV owner shared that after installation, the bass fills the entire vehicle. My teenagers love it, and it hasn't skipped a beat even on long, hot drives through desert heat. The speaker-level inputs work flawlessly with factory systems. The vented design produces noticeably deeper extension than sealed competitors, and the remote bass control gives you instant adjustment from the driver's seat. Which result matters most to you? Comment 1 for deep bass, 2 for easy install, 3 for reliability. This is about transforming thin, lifeless factory audio into full, powerful, bass-rich sound that makes every song better. Thousands of drivers already use the Rockford Fosgate Punch P500-12P daily, enjoying real Punch Series bass without the complexity of custom builds. It only takes a few seconds to see if this fits your vehicle and budget perfectly. I've dropped the link in the description and pinned it in the comments. You deserve bass that hits hard and sounds clean. Check it out today.
For demo videos and current pricing, check the link in the description.